Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Therichpost myself Ajay and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 20 for mobile, responsive and optimized application. Let me show you the Angular version first. See, 20.0.3. So guys, see. Now I will show you the demo for mobile responsive and speed optimization for mobile application. Now friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. See, here's my Angular 20 application and I built for the mobile. Let me show you the demo for mobile first. See, reload and see. So guys, see, first you will see the skeleton loader, then image came. See friends, and this will optimize the speed as well. See, it's called lazy the lazy loader. First, the application will find the default skeleton, and after that, app will get the actual image source. Then, image will be shown. See, and now I will show you the code as well. See, friends, and in old version, we have already used the signals and the input. See, inside signal, I have stored the few products data. See, and here is the list the product. Again, also I have called import the product card where input I am sharing the data between child to parent. See, and is by product card to TS file. See, inside it I have used input and signal. For input we will use to share the data exchange, and that will also we have studied in old version. And the signal, see guys, to update the trigger the data updation as well. And here's my product card. See, and the new thing I have used the defer and the placeholder, and this is the new thing in the Angular 20. Now friends, the defer on view, this thing is used to, and this block wraps the heavy component. Like heavy component means the image source. First, I will the app will get the placeholder when the actual image value will be get, then it will shown here. The first it will show the skeleton inside the placeholder, and the placeholder block provides content that is rendered immediately when the component loads, and it acts as the temporary visual clue for user. And after load the actual value, the defer block will be shown. See guys, and then th- this is the default simple values. The main thing is image. Sometimes we have the heavy images, so we will use the different placeholder. Now I will show you. See friends, first a loader came, then image shown. See, and it will reduce the load time and also the application speed and the heaviness. See friends, and the default CSS. See, and also the responsiveness. See guys, and we have used also the tailwind and the booster 5 as well. will work for all the devices. Let me reload it. See the skeleton. First skeleton came, then image shown. And see, it's very faster. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID and my WhatsApp number. See guys, and Upwork ID as well. I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis. And guys, I will show you one more demo for the heavy image. See, like I will copy the source and then placed here. Copy, and I will place here. See, save it, and we will check. See guys, see, very fast. So guys, this is it, and after it I will come with more demos as well. So friends, in the end, I must say, please subscribe my channel, support me, and also thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.